In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare error 524 timeout. If you've encountered this issue, you know how frustrating it can be for both you and your users. But don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to resolve it in a clear and thorough way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your website back up and running smoothly, but you'll also gain a better understanding of your Cloudflare settings and how to optimize them. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to -cloudflare.com and log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're signed in, locate the domain that's experiencing the 524 error from your dashboard. Click on it to open its settings. Now navigate to the DNS tab. Here, you need to check that your AAA and CNAME records are pointing to the correct server IP address. It's crucial that these records are accurate, as incorrect entries can lead to connectivity issues. While you're at it, make sure the orange cloud proxy icon is enabled only for the records you want to route through Cloudflare. If you need to reduce pressure on the proxy while troubleshooting, you can temporarily click the orange cloud to turn it gray. This will bypass the Cloudflare proxy for that record, allowing direct communication with your server. Next, go to the Security section and open the Settings tab here. Adjust the security level to medium or low. This reduces strict filtering temporarily, which is helpful during troubleshooting. If you notice that normal browsers are being challenged by Cloudflare, turn off the browser integrity check for now. This will help ensure legitimate users aren't mistakenly blocked. From there, move to the Security WAF tab and check the firewall rules. Carefully review any custom rules you've set up. Disable any rules that might be affecting typical pages, APIs, or user agents. Be sure to save your changes, but remember to re-enable these rules later once you've confirmed they aren't contributing to the timeout issue. Now, let's check the rate limiting settings under the Security section. Make sure there aren't any rules being triggered by normal traffic, such as your homepage or API endpoints. If you find overly strict rules, loosen their thresholds or disable them temporarily. Next, go to the Bots tab under Security and turn off Bot Fight mode for now. While this is a useful feature, it can sometimes block legitimate requests during a timeout scenario. Once these adjustments have been made, test your website again to see if the error persists. If the problem continues, revisit your security settings to double-check that nothing overly aggressive is blocking valid requests, particularly on critical routes. After that, it's time to clear your cache. Navigate to the caching configuration and click on Purge Everything. This will clear all cached responses for your site. Once that's done, reload your website to see if the 524 error still occurs. If the issue remains unresolved, go to the Security Events log and filter the information by your IP address or a recent time frame. Look for any blocked or challenged requests that coincide with the timeouts. Adjust the relevant matching rules, then retest your site. Repeat this process until normal traffic flows without delay. Finally, once your site is stable and functioning as expected, you can turn the proxy back on for the records that should be accelerated by Cloudflare. Restore any security settings you previously adjusted, but keep them balanced to avoid false positives or unnecessary blocks in the future. And that's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to resolve Cloudflare error 524 timeout and get your site back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.